Hey my foodie friends and family, how you doing? I'm great, thanks for asking. Today we're gonna do something with leftover meatloaf. I know you guys have it, and I get sick and tired of meatloaf sandwiches after a while, so I came up with something else. So here's a leftover meatloaf. It's a couple of pounds. Looks good. I've cut it up into chunks and I'm throwing it into my Instant Pot. We're gonna make a pasta sauce out of meatloaf. Have you ever tried it? It's real easy. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic granules. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. This meat is already seasoned, so be careful. If you're ever unsure, keep the salt until the end. I'm adding some Italian seasoning. About a teaspoonful. I don't want to overpower it because it can get a little bit too oregano-ish. I'm adding a sweet pepper. This one happens to be red. You can use any color. I've chopped it. I've got 1 stalk of celery chopped, and I've got 1 onion chopped. All the classic ingredients of a good pasta sauce. Whatever you like, you can even add mushrooms if you like them. I've got a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes with the juice. If you have your own stewed tomatoes in the cupboard, please use those. You can even use fresh tomatoes, just dice them up fine. And because I'm using an Instant Pot, we need to have about a cup of liquid. And I'm not sure how much tomato juice was in that can, so I'm adding 1 cup of beef broth. Now, if you don't have a beef meatloaf, you can certainly use turkey or chicken meatloaf. You can use a lamb meatloaf, would be really, really good. Or you can use a soy protein meatloaf. This is what it looks like after about 20 minutes in the Instant Pot on high pressure. You'd swear you just made this meat pasta sauce yourself. And all you did was throw a couple more ingredients into the pot and cook it. There it is, finished. Doesn't it look good? This on top of some nice spaghetti or rigatoni or buccatini, some Parmesan cheese, a nice salad, maybe some garlic bread if you've got some carbs left for the day. It's just delicious. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel. Just love to have more foodies here. Thanks for stopping by for some more pasta sauce that warms your soul. And mine too. We'll see you next time.